Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the latest gadgets and accessories for your car. In today's video, I'm going to show Portronics Car Power 16, a fast car charger with dual output that can charge your device on the go. Portronics Car Power 16 is a compact and powerful car charger that has a total output of 51 watts. It has a Type-C PD port that can deliver up to the 33 watts of power and a USB-A port that can deliver up to 18 watts of power. This means you can charge two devices simultaneously at high speed. Whether it's your iPhone, iPad, Android phone, tablet or any other device that supports fast charging. The Car Power 16 is compatible with most of the car models, has a smart chip that protects your devices from overcharge, overcurrent and overvoltage. It also has a sleek and elegant design that blends well with your car's interior. The charger is made of durable and fire-resistant material that can withstand high temperatures and ensure safety. To use the Car Power 16, you just need to plug it into the car's cigarette lighter socket and connect your devices with the appropriate cable. You will see a blue LED indicator light up when the charger is working. The charger will automatically detect your devices and deliver the optimal power output for each one. You can enjoy fast and efficient charging while driving without worrying about running out of battery or damaging your devices. The Portronics Car Power 16 is available on Amazon for Rs 419 only. For such a high quality and versatile car charger, you can check out the link in the description below to buy it. If you have any questions or comment about the Car Power 16, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.